Silly. I was feeding her yogurt, baby yogurt, and she kept she kept putting her hand in her mouth trying to help me. She was getting it everywhere, so I gave her something she can hold in her hand. And look what she's doing with it. Now, before I grabbed the phone, she was rubbing it all up and down her leg. Yeah, rubbing it all up and down her leg from like her knee to her foot. Who is mommy talking to? Who is mommy talking to? Who is mommy talking to? I know. You gonna eat? You gonna eat your little rice cracker? You got some rice cracker for babies? Let me see. You getting it everywhere. You make a mess for mommy to clean up. You make a mess for mommy to clean up? You like mommy to have to clean up. I know. You silly. I know. Okay, finish eating. Oh, yeah. Silly little girl. Oh, yeah. I know, right? I know. Eat your cracker. Eat your rice cracker. Go ahead, eat it. You're not gonna eat it. Oh, it's happy hour right now. We're just playing, talking and chilling. Silly little girl. Silly little girl. Bye-bye. 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 Go bye-bye. Bye-bye.